All right, today is Saturday, January 5th, 2019. It's the first video of the new year. Earlier this morning, I picked up a batch from Powder Coat. Pretty good. This thing was the fan shroud was really bad, and it came out, pretty decent. Got the fan done, got the pulleys done, hood striker. I think this is accelerator linkage. Probably won't even use that. Gas pedal linkage. AC compressor bracket. Probably won't even use that. I believe that's for the compressor also. I got the valve covers done and the hold downs. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I'm still debating. They came out okay. They have some dents. This one's good. This one has dents. I don't know what I'm going to do. I got to figure something out. Got the original air cleaner done. Came out really nice. It's a Power Glide flywheel cover. I'm gonna put that on eBay and try and sell that because I have no use for that. That's the gas tank tube or whatever you want to call it. Power steering pump brackets. This is more AC brackets, and my emergency brake cable assembly. And this is extra valve cover. Might paint that. They lost my water neck, which is minor. I mean, it's a $10 part. And they lost another AC bracket. But I'm thinking I might not even use these original AC brackets because the motor is going to have the front of the cylinder heads drilled out for bracket. The 283, the heads aren't drilled out, so everything bolts to the manifold and goes from there. Water pump. So I might not even use any of these brackets. So if I don't, I'm gonna put them together and sell them on eBay. Somebody might want them for original brackets. It's unfortunate they lost some parts, but whatever. Also got this alternator thing here, but I might not end up using that. Mainly the fan shroud, fan, pulleys, air cleaner, power steering stuff, and e-brake. And throughout the week, I've been polishing trim. So we got the front window. Oh, and then I also got the motor mounts. Motor mounts powder coated, ready to go. I picked up these sway bar brackets. I didn't know that they're not remade. I've been looking for them for a long time. I mean, they're on eBay, used. But so anyways, I picked them up today, and I was able to put my sway bar on. So sway bar's on. Motor mounts are on. We got the front window done. Stainless. It's all polished. Roof rails done. Drip rails on both sides. Roof rail stainless. Back window's already on. I think I already did that in the previous video. So the back window's done. This A-pillar, that's on. So all the stainless is on the car. Then the roof rail weather strip is on. I just finished this up today. All the front window stainless. Came out pretty good. Had a little dent here in this trim right here. I don't know. Might massage that out or not. I don't know. It's not that bad. Drip rail's done. So the process on this, which I had to relearn, is this top piece goes first. That goes first. Then the drip rail is not affected. Drip rail can go first. Top piece goes on first. Then let me think here. Then the pillar. Yeah. Top piece, then pillar, then this can go on. But I did top piece, pillar, roof rail, and then the lower is last, and then the cove goes on. But I gotta take that back out because I gotta get the wipers working. So that's just to put it on so it doesn't get scratched. But it is a process to it. And I had to learn that because I had everything on, and then I go to put this on, but this overlaps that, so everything had to come off, pop that on, and then it goes together like a puzzle. So it is a process. I just want to document that for the next car or anybody who needs that information. So all the stainless is on. Polished it up pretty good. I didn't really have to sand much. It wasn't beat up. It was just dirty. So I just cleaned it, soap and water, and straight to the buffer. And it polished up pretty good. I mean, is it, turntable show quality? Probably not. But it's pretty shiny. Not many dents at all. So it's looking good. Stainless is done. I think tomorrow I'm going to paint my steering column, perhaps. AC vents. Still debating on the headliner molding. What else did I get done? I did order a crate motor. Good deal on eBay from some Chevrolet dealership in Virginia. Picked that up. Should be here in a few days. And moving right along. So stay tuned for more progress. So all the stainless is done. All that's left is headliner molding and wiring on the inside, and then throw the interior in there, which is already done. So big progress on the front end. I'm glad the windshield molding popped on like it should. Didn't chip any paint up top. And we got the motor mount, so that's ready. Sway bars on. Front end's done. Stay tuned for more progress. Thanks for watching.